This is a Live Pro program. With this program, you can make an update to your life balance treatment plan. Basically, once you opened up, there's different functions here, and one of them is open. Just find the file which you have downloaded for the email or other ways, and click open, and the file just appears here. Then what you need to do, you need to connect USB cable to a device, and what you need to do, you need to click. They ask if you want to save a computer, so you can have it for the later. In my case, no. And what happens? The program finds the device and starts the uploading process. And it takes quite a few minutes. Could be from 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how many programs. In this case, we have 55 hours and 47 minutes, so it's quite a long one. So just leave it for 5 minutes, and at the end, it should just show as a operation completed, and just needs not cancellation but just close. And this is what it looks when the operation is completed. All the programs are on the device. You just click close.